Hey, how's it going? Today we are working on my corrals. I had some footage of us putting the water line in for the new waterer, but I did lose that, so here we are now. We're going to put up some new, well, not new, used wind boards, redo the front of the corrals. Fill a bale up. Talk about a little water walkway for the calves. And that's about it really today in this video. And I'll get back to you with the next stuff. So the wife and I and Dad put these boards up here. Just reusing some boards. Wood's so bloody expensive right now. I can't afford to do that. We're just going to do a 3-bar all the way across these railroad ties. You see over there in the corner, I haven't quite finished yet, but we're getting that done. Oh, and I guess I should say it's October 27th today. A nice +10 day. This is the water we put in. It came on the property when we bought it. It's all screwed up, but we got it all put back together, new float, wiring and all that. Our water base we're using is railroad ties. I was thinking of the 3 with the water on, so the cows won't be able to climb on top of that and push it out of alignment. It won't be that level. So we can go 3 or 4 wide here at the bottom. Screw them together so the cows can walk on those ones, so it's not attached to the water itself. I'm thinking that should, it'll flex up and down with the cows walking on it, but it shouldn't be too much of an issue then. It won't kick the water off. And yeah, that's what we're going to do here. I'll get some more footage of that as we're putting that together and screwing it in. So we dug in the water line. We tapped in over there by the chicken coop. About 180 feet we put it in, 8 feet deep, because the frost level gets pretty low here in Alberta. Put it all the way across, coming this way, and tagged it in right there. Again, I lost all that footage, but yeah, it was boring anyway.
Bye.